and welcome to Lety Does Tech Badly, specifically the Ticwatch Pro. Okay guys, so this Ticwatch Pro just came out a couple days ago, and I've been super interested in this one because, first of all, this thing is amazing. I'll go through why it's amazing after I open it up and stuff. And of course, I mentioned in my last unboxing video that a while ago I used to pretty regularly wear a watch, and I broke it. It basically broke because of electrical stuff. Whatever, it's a long story, but I've been meaning to get a new watch for a long time, and this one came out, so of course I had to buy it because this one is just really great. So this here is going to be the Mobvoi Ticwatch Pro. And this watch comes in at a very reasonable $250. And just so I can go ahead and show you what's inside, let's open it up. Yeah, that came off in one piece. Get that shit out of here. With all my might. Come on, come on. This is very tightly put together. Okay, this is going to be the Ticwatch Pro. As you can see, it's kind of big. It's gonna be a 1.39 inch smartwatch here, so I don't even know if my wrist is really that big, but I'll set that aside for now. Okay, so we have this little the quick guide, bunch of different languages. It's just a thick little instructions and information for you. Don't need that. Okay, and then we have a charger port right here. It goes on the bottom. And then, oh, we get a free little, a little gel preserver pack. Yeah, Hobo loves these too much, so I'm gonna get rid of that before she finds it. And yeah, then you have a hat when you're done with all that. Oh, I forgot to take the packaging off the watch itself. Also, very tight packaging. Huh, they really didn't want this thing to break. Alright, slide it. Let's undo the little strap here. Whoa! And then I gotta remove this plastic cover. Stick that on there. And then I'll remove the plastic cover from the top. And there we go, it's all nice and shiny. So I'm just gonna set this box aside so I can go ahead and show you the actual watch itself. So it's very sleek, very nice looking. I went ahead and got the black one, but it also does come in silver. So the bottom is still going to be silver and stuff, and then you can pick what color you wanted this to be. And these are going to be replaceable straps. If you wanted to switch them out, you can go ahead, remove them there, and switch them with any watch straps that are compatible that you want. It's just a quick little like sliding thing, and then you have just the unit itself. And let me go ahead and actually set up the app on my phone so that I can pair it and show you everything else as well. Anyway, so this is going to be your initial interface for you to pick what language you want. And English, United Kingdom. Nope. Okay, keep your trust, protect your personal information, contents of this page, and I've read it, of course. Yes, yes, allow, sell my soul. You're all set! Now the watch is asking me for consent. Yes, you can track my steps and my heart rate. Yeah, calendar. Yep. Okay, so I went ahead and downloaded the app. What the hell? It's just asking me for so many things. It's very personalized. Wants to know how tall I am. It's asking me my weight. Let's get started. Outdoor run. You are not making me go for a run right now. As you may have noticed, whenever it's kind of opening a new app, whenever it's trying to process a request, it's a little slower. So that's because this one is going to have a CPU that's the Qualcomm Snapdragon 2100 versus the 3500 that's going to come out next month. And another reason that the response time on this thing might be a little slow is just because this watch is going to have 512 megabits of RAM, and that's about half a gigabyte of RAM, and that's not too much, but again, you know, $250 watch, something's gotta give, and it's still pretty dang fast, so that's not too bad. Now that I got all that set up, there are a few things that you can do with this, like you can change the watch face if you just swipe to the right. I like this one the best. I think it looks kind of cool. You can swipe up to see your notifications, but I don't have any because nobody loves me, so yep, can't really show you that. If you tap this once, you can see what apps are going to be on your watch. If you press and hold it, it should give you the Google Assistant. And then if you go back to the home screen, you should be able to activate it with just a quick little, "Okay, Google." And it's gonna feel a vibration, and you can ask it whatever you want now. Show me pictures of cats.
Check out these pictures of cats.
Oh yeah, Google, that's a mean cat. You know what mama like. And this thing also has NFC, which most, you know, watches don't have. So you can go ahead and pay with your watch without needing to pull out your phone and get it out of your purse and stuff. So I think that's pretty cool. So basically everything that I've mentioned about the watch so far just seems like things you can find on more expensive smartwatches, but the one thing that is very unique to this smartwatch that was a big selling point for me was that it has a 2-layer display. So the way that this works is that on top, let me show you, is going to be the LCD screen that runs Essential Mode. It's the first thing that loads right here, and that's usually the thing you see when the watch is asleep, because there is the AMO LED screen under, and that one turns off. So with the LCD screen on, it will just show you the time, the date, and then it'll actually have the little pedometer here for you that it is also tracking, and your battery life down at the very bottom. They advertised that in this mode, if it completely is on this mode the entire time, it's gonna last you 30 days without a charge, or running on one charge. If you use the smart mode the entire time, it's gonna last you about 2 days without needing to charge. And honestly, both of those numbers are pretty dang good. The battery on the watch itself is going to be 415 milliamp hours, and you can change this by long pressing the bottom knob, and you can flip it into Essential Mode. By default, it is going to come on to, it's going to load its hybrid display, so it's kind of a mixture of both, where usually it's on Essential Mode if you don't mess with it or do anything to it, and then if you want to, like, if you tap it, it'll take you to Wear OS. It's a 400p display, so as you could have seen from those cat pictures that Google showed me, very sharp. It even has a flashlight mode, which yeah, that does stuff. Okay, cool. I didn't really consider that usage for the watch, but thanks, I guess. Oh yeah, and then I forgot to mention it also has GPS, and you can ask it to route you to stuff. But yeah, it's basically like a little mini smartphone on your wrist that saves you power. And yeah, I think I basically covered you know, everything that you can do with this watch. I'm pretty excited to see if the battery life is actually accurate because I want to wear this to work, and it being water resistant is just all the better for me. This is rated IP68, so, you know, if you take it diving, just don't do it for more than 30 minutes. But I just want to wear it on my day-to-day chores and stuff, and I'm a server, so I wash my hands a lot, and I'm probably gonna have to replace these straps with like rubber ones or something that I don't have to worry about it soaking up any liquid, and it will stay in place on my arm because my wrist is kind of tiny. So that's basically all I got for this watch. This is going to be the Ticwatch Pro right here. Let me know if there's anything I missed out or what you guys think of the watch. If you're gonna get one for yourself, it's 250 bucks, guys. And I know that might sound like, you know, a lot for some of you, but in comparison to a lot of the other watches that will do a lot less, this is a really, really good deal. I mean, me just trying to buy this one, I went on Amazon day of release and I tried buying it, and then I went to go look more information up about it, and it sold out. So I had to buy it directly from the website, and even they were selling out. So this is in really high demand, and it is incredibly useful if you don't want to be charging it all the time like crazy. Even this, like, even if you keep it on the dual display mode where you have a mixture of the essential and the regular mode, it's still going to save you a lot of battery power. So definitely look into it. And of course, let me know what you guys thought of this video and what I could do better for the next time. But yeah, this has been Tech Badly with Lety, and this, oh shit, is the Ticwatch Pro. So get out there, do all the stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Hey everyone, Lety here, and I'm just trying on another swimsuit for my Summer of Swimsuits try-on haul, July 2018. And if you like watermelon, then this bikini is the one for you. You can go ahead and vote for this bikini by clicking that video down there. Bye! Mwah!